In today's episode, we'll be checking out the Bitcoin US dollar chart. We can see that the bearish divergence on the daily chart is not valid anymore. We have absolutely smashed out the resistance, and there is a high chance that the Bitcoin price is going to go up to these price targets. I'll be showing this in today's episode, and also Ethereum is forming this huge ascending triangle in the hourly chart, and we can see also that the volume is going down. So the most likely scenario is going to be coming up to these crazy targets and meeting this huge resistance that I'm going to discuss with you guys in today's episode. And Miami could become first city in US to allocate treasury reserves into Bitcoin. And Bitcoin liquidity crisis, BTC is becoming harder to buy on exchanges. Guys, thanks for the last videos. I've got a huge amount of likes. Make sure to go down there and smash the like button and subscribe for coming updates on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial market. I am not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the charts. As you can see, the Bitcoin price has still got steam to go. And the last few days that we were talking about this diamond reversal pattern, we broke out of it nicely because this was the first leg up into the diamond reversal pattern. And we broke out nicely here, and we met our target that we mentioned in my last videos. And also we've been forming this descending wedge, so if we take this pole here and go from the breakout, there is a chance that we can see almost the $31,000 range. But also we broke out from this ascending brawling wedge, and we bounced nicely here on the support, which was the resistance. So also there is a target for this pattern, and this is getting the wider bit of the ascending brawling wedge, calculating the breakout, and this would also take us to the $32,000 range. So the price of Bitcoin might have another leg up to the $30,000 or $32,000 range before we see any type of retracement of 20 or 30%. And it looks like Ethereum is looking to explode out of this ascending triangle on the hourly chart. The volume is disappearing, so we are looking for an explosive move before the end of tomorrow. And if we break to the upside, the measured move would be the $820, and if we break to the downside, the measured move would be about $645. Remember guys, if you're an experienced trader, I've got links in the description of Bybit, Femex, and Judex. If you click on that link, you'll be getting an amazing bonus. So this is a great trading opportunity. Only if we break out to the upside, we would start the trade, or break to the downside, and also if we have a peak in the volume here also. And if we break to the upside, we will meet $825. This is huge resistance. I am going to show you on the daily chart why this is huge resistance. If we come back in the past here in 2018, we can see in May we met this target, and then we've had this huge bear market for years, and now it looks like we want to come and retest this huge resistance. So this is a very important level, and then if we break this level, this is extremely bullish for the Ethereum price. Taking a look at today's news, Miami could become first city in US to allocate treasury reserves into Bitcoin. Miami Mayor Francisco Suarez says he's open to exploring whether the city would benefit from allocating a part of its treasury reserves into Bitcoin. Suarez offered a straightforward response to a suggestion from Anthony Pompliano on Twitter, who urged his 429,000 followers to tell the mayor he should move 1% of Miami's reserves to BTC. Definitely open to exploring it, he said. When asked whether Miami is also considering the possibility of accepting Bitcoin as a means of citizens to settle their bills with the city, the mayor said it is part of their plans for next year. We are definitely going to be working on this in 2021. Absolutely insane news for 2021 for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space. We are seeing news like this every single day. So I am extremely bullish for the price of Bitcoin in 2021. Bitcoin liquidity crisis. BTC is becoming harder to buy on exchanges. data shows. And this is the only chart that you need to look at to understand the liquidity crisis. In the blue here, we have the illiquid Bitcoin. This is all the Bitcoin that's locked up and is not in circulation. And in the orange and the salmon color is the liquid and highly liquid Bitcoin. This is on the exchanges, and this is the open market that are buying and selling Bitcoin every second. And from 2020, we can see the liquidity on the exchanges is just going down and down. So the price is going to absolutely blast if this continues. And just as I'm finishing this episode, the Ethereum price is breaking out of this ascending triangle. Are we going to meet these targets? We'll be discussing this in the next episode. Guys, feel free to check out the Bitcoin Sensors website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Judex leverage trading platform, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, subscribe for coming updates, and I will see you in the next one.